What's going on, guys? It's Kate from Beyond the Box, back with a brand new video, and today Razer sent me something super cool I wanted to show you guys today. It's their new Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro earbuds. These puppies go inside your ears, and kind of like the AirPod Pros, which is the video I just reviewed before this. So if you guys missed that video, go take a look at that because we're going to be comparing these to that video a lot. Razer just sent this to me. Thank you, Razer, very, very much. I very much appreciate it, and I can't wait to take a look at it. They said this was going to be great to play with your Kishi. I'm really excited to take a look at it. Let's just see what you got on the box really quick. You got some advanced hybrid active noise cancellation, THX certified sound, which you're gonna get in your Razer Opus headphones as well. They are my favorite over-ear headphones at the moment. Shout out to Razer as well. Thank you for sending me those as well. And they're crafted for comfort. So hopefully they feel really nice in your ears and kind of hopefully like they do with the AirPod Pros. So let's just open this box up. Okay, so Razer sent me their case. An iPhone 12 case. Okay, good. I got a couple of these. I'm needing another one of these for my giveaway. We'll talk about that later when I unbox the iPhone 12. They sent me their case for the product and the product itself. Thank you, Razer, very, very much for sending me this product and thinking about me. I appreciate it. There we go. Let's take a look really quick at the case. Oh, the case just slides off really easily like that. Yeah, I'm sure it's gonna stick to the top really well. Let's get directly with the Hammerheads itself. Okay, so THX certified, great. 60 millisecond low latency connection, that's pretty good. Not sure what other headphones are, but hopefully that's pretty low. Let's see. Touch enabled controls, advanced hybrid active noise cancellation, an in-ear design, and a quick attention mode. Okay, so basically it's fancy wording for everything that the Apple AirPod Pros have. Water resistant design, so that might be different than what Apple has. I don't know if the Apple AirPod Pros have a water resistant design, but these sound like they do. That's really cool. So you could be wearing these in the rain, possibly. I don't know if you go swimming with them. Maybe the AirPod Pros are also waterproof. I have no idea. Let's just get right into the unboxing. Why is everything a shake weight? There we go. Open sesame. Okay, whether you're at work or play, you deserve the best audio experience. Absolutely, that should be one of the mottos here on our channel. Cool, it's got a bunch of information for you to take a look at in here. We're not gonna take a look at that today. Hopefully it should just be as easy as connecting as 1, 2, 3, just like Apple AirPod Pros do as well. So it comes with more option for your ear, just like the AirPod Pros. Let's just pull the AirPod Pro up really quick since we're gonna be comparing that to a lot today. And it does look like it comes with more attachments for your ears. This is how you're going to get updates, it looks like. So when you plug it into your computer, you're gonna be able to connect it via USB Type-C cable. That's how you're gonna get your updates. Here we are, guys. There we are, there they go. They don't just come in the container themselves. You gotta put them together like this. See how big they are in comparison to the AirPod Pros. They're about the same. AirPod Pros are a little smaller in the case-wise. I think the stand at the bottom is probably just a little longer. So hopefully they're just gonna be popping up on the Bluetooth connection. Hey, they do. Okay, so it's just gonna come up as headset at the beginning. And now they're connected. Okay, so it's not that difficult to get them connected. So I'm assuming this one will go in your right ear every time from the right side of the case, and then your left one. And then squeeze them in there pretty tight to get a nice solid fit. But really quick, guys, before we get into the music, I just wanted to take a look at the case. I really enjoy this as a color. I wish AirPod Pros came in a glossy black or a matte black. I do like the black finish. This is a really nice sleek case, but it's really big. Let's just put this in the case really quick. Squeeze that together just like that. Okay, so there you go. It's not that bad. It comes with a little doodad so you can connect to your backpack or whatever, but who's really gonna do that? I don't really like using that. That just gives people the idea of grabbing it, or say somebody's got a pocket knife or something. I don't want somebody cutting it off on the train when I'm not looking. So I don't know what good that would do them, but you know there's people like that out there. So we just put everything in our pockets anyway, or our pockets or our bags, so what's the point? So I don't really care that this dangles. I don't really care the fact that we had a case for it. Maybe this will protect your case, but to be honest, I don't think I've ever had a case on my AirPod 1s, and I'm not gonna keep a case on these either, because once you take the earpieces out and put them in your ears, you shouldn't really have an issue about protecting the case. Let's get into some music now. So I'm listening to Blinding Lights by The Weeknd, and it sounds really good. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. So these things got a gaming mode. So while connected, triple tap and then hold the last tap for at least 2 seconds on any earbud to activate gaming mode. Okay, so also triple tapping goes back, and I'm assuming double tapping goes forward. But then so you do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and now gaming mode just became activated. This song is making me just want to dance. Okay, we gotta pick a different song to review because I'm just gonna be dancing. Let's do a quick review in comparison to the AirPod Pros. So now that I have the feeling of what that just sounded like in my mind, we're gonna use the AirPod Pros that we just reviewed in the last video, and we're gonna take a look at how these sound. The AirPod Pros sound better. I'm just gonna say that right now, the AirPod Pros sound better. Yeah, guys, I like this as a product, but after I just took a look at these, the audio just sounds better. The bass and the way that it just connects to the music. This is a good product, probably if you got an Android. If you got an iPhone, I would definitely recommend you guys use the AirPod Pros, because I think the audio is probably a little bit better in the AirPod Pros for Apple users. I'm just trying to be honest, guys. They wanted to send me this and I wanted to take a look at it, and this is a great product, but I think if you have an iPhone, you should definitely just use your AirPod Pros. You be the judge, but honestly, guys, the AirPod Pros are going to be my daily headphones now. So hopefully this video helps you guys make this video a little bit easier when it comes to what pair of headphones you guys want to purchase this holiday season, but I'm gonna stick with the AirPod Pros. Let me know if you're gonna pick up Razer's Hammerhead headphones in the future, or if you're gonna get some Apple AirPod Pros. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something new. If you did, please leave a like. The YouTube algorithm greatly appreciates it. Hope you guys are having a fantastic holiday season, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.